Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about the Ruvi Challenge. So the Ruvi Challenge is coming up January 1st, 2020. It's time to get healthy. We always try to get healthy at the beginning of the year. No reason why we should be doing it year round. But hey, I wanted to share with you today the live Better with Ruvi Challenge. And here we're going to be doing a 30-day and 90-day Ruvi challenge. Step 1, start drinking a Ruvi a day and aim for a total of 10, so half a cup of servings of fruits and vegetables. Stop eating or drinking one thing that keeps you from being better health, and go for 7,500 steps or 25 minutes of moderate exercise per day that you choose. So not only for me, this is definitely going to be a huge challenge, but I definitely want to see this and see it work for me. So the Ruvi Challenge is not a regimented diet plan with endless rules and restrictions. You don't have to wait for that. It's simply getting into the right fuel into your body in a natural, convenient way and being active throughout the day. You'll be surprised at how simple this challenge will propel you into a healthier and more productive life. This is the 4 flavors that are available. So you have the clean, boost, focus, and active. So you could do 1 to 2 of these a day. The tip is to find someone to support you during the challenge, a spouse, a friend, someone on a Facebook group, anyone that will help you and be accountable. We do have a Ruvi group, so as soon as you do order your Ruvi, you can be added into the group and we can help you be engaged and get that accountability. Document your journey each day. That will help you be engaged and learning as you go. Keep it short, 1 to 2 sentences. Here's the rewards: better health, more energy, stronger heart and immune system, better digestion, live longer, happier life, just a few small ones. And then you'll get a Ruvi t-shirt if you do the 90-day challenge. Cash prizes for the 90-day winners. First is 1,000, second is 500, third is 200. Free product for 30-day winners. First, 3-month supply of Ruvi. Second, 2-month supply, and third is a 1-month supply. We will choose winners based on the most inspirational story of health and lifestyle transformation. The requirements is start the challenge anytime in January. We hope for January 1. That starts us fresh. Complete step 1, drink a Ruvi a day. If you miss a day, do 2 the next day. Step 2 and 3 are not required, but you'll see greater transformation if you follow these. Join the Ruvi Challenge in the Facebook group and submit the following Ruvi Challenge start form and 30-day finisher form. We'll send these to you. 90-day finisher form, we'll send them to you and start the challenge. So if you'd like to join me in the 90-day challenge or even the 30-day challenge, this will allow you to get started. Right here you can shop for whichever one that you want. And the best one really is to get all the flavors. So this is going to give you a 32 pack. So one of each pack has 8 of each Ruvi and your shaker bottle. So it makes it super simple and easy. We also have the Ruvi gear. There is 4 blends, 26 whole fruits and vegetables, nothing else. How about that? Exactly, fruits and vegetables, no sweeteners, no extra stevia, none of that. It's all fruits and veggies. So if you'd like to learn a little bit more about the Ruvi Challenge going on in January, I'd love for you to join me. And again, my name is Leah. My link will be down below. If you have any questions, please do reach out to me. I thank you for your time. Make sure to subscribe and click on the bell. See you on the next video. Bye for now.